We picked the duplicate question detection problem for our cs230 final project. The application, we motivate the application by the fact that there are a lot of applications today, including Quora, Slack, and email, that have a substantial amount of questions in them. If we wanted to automate question answering, the first task would be duplicate question detection. Our data set consists of 404,000 question pairs, of which 150,000 are duplicates and 255,000 are not duplicates. One aspect of this duplicate question set is the issue of ambiguity. I have a question pair here, number 979, that's formed in two different ways. It may be a duplicate when we read it, but it's not listed as a duplicate in the data set. The first thing that we started with was the bi-LSTM architecture, and we converted from InfoSent in Facebook. The first thing we did was we converted the softmax to 2 classes versus 3. We added an attention mechanism where inner attention performed better than hierarchical attention because we have mostly single sentences, of which 376,000 are single, the rest are more than one. And the last thing we did was to reduce overfitting, we added 2 layers and with dropout. That got us to 83.4% performance. Resume, start.
Next approach we try is to try to generalize the classical TF-IDF model. And our first step is the network architecture A. And notice that if the get word weight layer is exactly the TF-IDF weights, then this model is exactly the same with the TF-IDF model. And this gives us a big performance boost, this generalization. And next, we gradually made the network more sophisticated by replacing the vector reduction layer, which is simply a summation by various LSTM layers. And this gave us a further performance. And the best model we have along this line is by LSTM layers followed by another LSTM layers. And the result is shown in this table. And next, Doug, we talked about the future work.
So the future work is that we could either work on regularization by using one of Merity's LSTMs, but I think a better problem, because LSTMs, we found that LSTMs don't really scale on single GPUs. To go to multiple GPUs, we would go to a transformer type architecture.